Are you scratching your face by getting me? You're gonna give people the wrong idea on YouTube. You know, they think you're a grumpy butt.
I am, especially when you mess with my radio.
It was a commercial.
Yeah, but I might have been listening to that.
You might have been. Anyway.
Are you going somewhere?
It was a beautiful day on November 20th. In between. Today's the 20th, yes.
Tomorrow's your birthday.
Tomorrow is my birthday. Good job. Only took you 20 some odd years to remember.
I wonder why I scrunch up my face. Seriously. There's just not room for two smart asses in the family.
We are traveling from Treasure Key Marina to Marsh Harbor and picking up our charter here shortly. The boat is almost ready. So we're enjoying our last of, we have 2 beautiful days left before it all goes to hell. Well, now let's meet the Yenny and Tinsley families. They are a fantastic group who came aboard to celebrate Thanksgiving break and Chris's 45th birthday. This is a short glimpse of the fun things we did while they were aboard. First, we were the ones getting entertained while Callan practiced for her bassoon competition, which she promptly won when she got home.
Crawfish, connect in. I think with 2 hands it would go at once. Switch around.
Yeah. Oh. Wait till it. Oh, I'm pretty impressed you got it that far. She's tapping out.
I was wondering.
I give you props for getting it that high. But then he doesn't get the satisfaction of doing it 2 or 3 feet.
What?
Like 10 feet.
10 feet, Dad, you got this. You go, Dad. Your workout today.
Now for a bit of snorkeling. Scott is taking the crew. We are in little Sea Turtle Harbor. I can't say I have ever quite seen him bring them back like this before. So either you couldn't get back in the boat or you just wanted to stay in the water. Alright, so tell me why half of your people abandoned ship.
We pushed him out. These are the A-listers.
The A-listers, alright. I like the way you think. After relaxing and eating, we got to enjoy some beautiful sunsets and settled in for movie night. It's movie night on the space between. Maybe Wally. And today we buzzed over and we are at No Name and they are over there feeding the piggies. Yeah, I see people running. I honestly thought they'd be done with the pigs in a half an hour, but they spent a couple hours over there. Turns out Chris is quite the pig whisperer. For Thanksgiving, I made pumpkin French toast casserole this morning and everybody loved it, so that was good. Today we're gonna have some burrito bowls, taco bowls, whatever you want to call them. And then we're going to take them to the Bluff House for Thanksgiving dinner because I was not about to try to cook a turkey dinner in my new tiny little oven. So we had an amazing Thanksgiving dinner at the Bluff House and was so blessed to have my mom, Bill, Quinn, and Aiden there to join us. We even had a little fun with the band afterwards. Look what we do to people, guys. That's actually not bad. I won't film Willie. But before the seas went to hell, they were able to enjoy some fun times, maxing and relaxing, paddleboarding, and snorkeling. But we ended up at the docks of the Treasure Key Marina, where we could safely enjoy Chris's birthday. And on our way into the marina, we were greeted by a magnificent pod of dolphin. And while at the docks, they were able to see the most beautiful beach I have ever found, Treasure Key. All right, we're with Callan here in the kitchen, preparing that man some birthday cupcakes.
Yes.
So how was dinner? Now that you're on camera.
Like every dinner we've had.
I didn't pay him to say that. Say hi, Isabel.
Hi.
Last night here on the Space Between.
We're so sad.
I know.
We missed our flight.
I know. Well,
It is pretty early if I oversleep. Meanwhile, while the cupcakes are baking. What did you learn, Vanessa?
There's another I'm learning to tie a bowline.
And somebody will
which
pay
looks
for
like
it.
bowline.
And somebody will pay for
Bowline.
it.
Bow line. It's spelled bow line.
Yeah. So,
But people, now that you're a person in the know, the people in the know say it bowling.
so
Right?
Scott says, hold my tree up here,
Hold your tree.
right over left,
Let me get a better angle.
right over left,
So much bigger. What do you guys think?
rabbit around the thing I'm tying, rabbit out of the hole, around the tree, and back down the hole, hold the rabbit and this.
Look at you go! Woo! So that extra egg.
I think, yeah, they're falling apart. I don't think you're going to get them to. I think you have to.
Did you try a different one?
Very
Yeah,
fluffy.
I tried a different one.
Nice and airy.
And
And it's still,
I don't think they'll.
Where did that come from?
They're not going to stay together.
even the professional chef can't fix my cupcake.
But I think it's
very nice and
reasonable.
airy.
Yeah, I think it's reasonable to reform them.
At least they're good sports for my epic fail. How's it taste? How does your birthday smash cake top muffin
it
thing?
tastes great. It's a little unconventional. But I like it.
Have you ever had one of these before? Because your daughter seemed to be quite. She was her idea. We make this mess with it.
I've never had one like this.
Okay, wait. I gotta get the process here.
Ron, to answer your question.
Rob, honey, Rob. It's been 5 days. You know his name.
There we go. Here's your sign.
Oh, this is gourmet. I mean, you can only get this on the Space Between.
Wait, let me zoom in close. So, would you like to explain to the camera what this bowl of mush is?
Well, you see, we took all of the cupcakes that lost their muffin tops, which was all of them, and we mashed them into a bowl with the leftover icing. Create this.
Yes.
That's
Not pretty good. Oh yeah.
Cupcake tostadas.
A cupcake tostadas. Yeah, probably. So, what was your favorite part of the trip?
Definitely the
Yeah, it makes the.
Definitely the pigs. All right, day one. And what was your least favorite part of the trip? Didn't have one. All right. And what was your favorite meal?
The strawberry pancakes were pretty good.
Strawberry pancakes. All right. You hear that, Morgan? What about you?
Love the trip. Love being on the boat. Weather was fantastic. No.
Most of it.
Yeah.
It only rained at night. That was a good thing.
Yeah,
We never
yeah.
had like rain during the day.
It rained at night. Oh, the one thing that we had thought about doing at one point was sleeping out on the thing,
The trampoline.
on the trampoline, not in port, like just feeling like you're.
Right.
And I'm glad we didn't the night that.
Yes, it poured that night. So yes, probably a good thing. It would have
Yeah.
been a rude awakening.
Yeah, no, but it's fantastic. We we know you don't control the weather. So,
Wish I could.
yeah, just a
Wish I could.
fantastic trip. Good food, good company.
It was.
Just a great trip.
Enjoyed you guys immensely. And you, sir? What was your favorite part of the vacation?
My favorite part of the vacation was probably how much the kids enjoyed it. And I think the pigs were absolutely awesome. They enjoyed that. I think the snorkeling was really good. I think the kids really liked seeing some sea turtles.
That was nice.
And all that.
All right.
I think being able to adapt to the weather and move around the weather was actually pretty cool because that made it a lot more enjoyable. We avoided, I think, a lot of stuff in terms of changing as we went.
Yes. Yeah, we had to kind of go with the flow with her changing, putting our plan in reverse.
That was good. And I learned a little bit about sailing and what it meant.
And you got a muscle workout when Scott didn't tell you there was an electric winch for the main.
I said, how do they do this all the time, raising the sail? It's a lot of work.
And why doesn't Holly have bigger muscles? Oh. Well, thank you guys for coming. We had an amazing time, and
Thank you.
we had fun with the Yennies as well.
Thank you.
I did not do a fantastic job documenting, but we will put something together.
Oh, it was nice to meet the family.
Yes, yes.
And we had that absolutely wonderful Thanksgiving dinner.
Yes, that was nice.
That was a nice little
You need me to grab it?
to do that.
Yes, it was much better than cooking a said Thanksgiving dinner. Well, we're out. Guest just left. We have a short weather window to get back home, so we are out of here. It is hot. There's not a drop of breeze. It's just the two of us. All right. First night on the way home. All right. We are at Pensacola Cay.
Yep.
And a little private beach right here. Our own private island.
I only see what the filmer was wearing.
Exactly, but you can't. Ha ha ha. But you can see what he's wearing. Edit, edit, edit. So much for our Sunday fun day yesterday. We anchored a little bit early. We had a nice little window. Had some dinner. Swam naked to a private beach or halfway there until the boat came. And then got back. Scott checked the weather and our window is quickly closing. So we pulled anchor and made a mad dash till 2 a.m. tucked behind. I don't remember the name of that island. Mangrove Cay. And now we went from 2 to 7. Waited for sunrise. And are back heading. We are outside of West End. Looks like 11:30. We should be the West End, and then we'll make the crossing from there. Gonna be a long day. And again, headed straight into the wind. We are starting the crossing, passing West End, heading into Fort Lauderdale, or headed towards Fort Lauderdale, across the Gulf, and we're beating into it. Woohoo! Beating down. And it's never ending. No taking pictures of the moon. This does not do it justice, but there is a bright red blood moon on our way home. Port of Fort Lauderdale, 1:10 a.m. I am tired. We are at 17th Street Bridge for its 1:30 opening, and they're not answering. There's no answer. We've yelled on the PA. We've honked our manual horn. And he even radioed the Coast Guard. Right, Coast Guard told him to call him on 09. Why isn't he answering you? Why isn't he answering you?
17th Street Bridge, is the boat calling?
Yes?
Yes, sir. I've been trying to hail you for over 20 minutes now.
Yeah, the last guy had the volume way down. I couldn't even hear it. I didn't even know it was down.
Can you go ahead and give me a lift then?
Yeah, what's the vessel name?
The Space Between.
Roger that, Cap. Stand by. Let me clear the bridge of people.
Space Between, standing by 09.
That's a first. I got that on
The
video.
last guy had the volume down real low. Look, see? He just turned the lights out. Up there.
Right.
They used to be lit up.
Yeah, I was just lit up a few minutes ago. Back. Got in at 2:30 last night. Looking real pretty. It is now 9:45 and we are up and cleaning. So we can go home and start the laundry. This, my friends, is why I have to charge so much. That is all the bedding and extra blankets and pillows and towels. Then I have a pile of clothes for us. Probably equally as big, maybe not quite. So yeah, it's a couple week process of getting ready. A week of work. Only a week process of getting cleaned up. So if you wonder why we charge so much, there you go. Well, and it took us a combined total of 35 and 31, 66 hours of sailing, plus another few hours in there of sleeping just to get the boat over there. So, Bahamas charters are a little bit more expensive for that reason. We now have a laundry list of Fix It Fridays in store for you. And add generator fuel filter on that because when we got in last night our power was off at the pole, so tried to run the generator and it wouldn't run. Scott thinks it's the fuel filter. It would run, it just wouldn't stay running. So anyway, off to work.
Space between